The latest U.S. government shutdown, a self-inflicted political crisis, is now in its 6th day, and there's still no clear end in sight. The longer it drags on, the more damage it does to the economy. As economist John Diamond explains, shutdowns that end quickly create modest impact, and the economy eventually recovers the losses. But a protracted shutdown, especially one involving layoffs of a significant number of government workers, could inflict a larger impact. Many of them are irreparable. What's most worrying is that this shutdown comes at an already precarious time for the U.S. economy. Long-term unemployment is rising, and consumer confidence is falling. There's an old saying, when America sneezes, the world catches a cold. For decades, the United States has been the world's biggest importer. Any shakeup in the American economy, whether a recession, trade war, or sudden shutdown, can send shockwaves across countries that rely on U.S. imports. It triggers dramatic swings in global stock markets, giving a tough time for strategists around the world who are keenly watching Wall Street's every move. But right now, it's much more than just a sneeze. America's economy is stumbling through an unpredictable storm, like a playful child running around in the wild storm, nose running and no cap for protection. Exposed and unsettled, it's drawing anxious stares from the world around us. Recent U.S. decisions to deport illegal migrants and foreign expatriates at an alarming rate have only deepened the crisis. These mass deportations have slashed the available workforce in industries like agriculture, construction, hospitality, and services, sectors that depend heavily on immigrant labor. The result is more labor shortages, rising costs, and unexpected disruptions in supply chains, further weakening an already fragile economy. Studies show that these policies don't just affect migrants, they also ripple out to lower job opportunities and wages for citizens and permanent residents. The loss of tax revenues and decreased consumer spending are worsening local economies, creating greater fiscal strain just when public services are already threatened by the shutdown. This time, the shutdown shows no sign of ending soon. While brief shutdowns cause bruises that eventually heal, this prolonged and politically charged standoff is different. Major government layoffs are mounting, leaving consequences that could last far beyond the shutdown. Lost jobs, stalled projects, and shaken investor confidence. Some of these setbacks may never be fully reversed. Widespread layoffs have already swept across America, affecting a wide range of industries. Tech leaders like Intel, Microsoft, and TCS have slashed jobs. Automotive, aviation, government agencies, finance, media, manufacturing, retail, and energy sectors have all suffered significant cutbacks. Nearly 1 million jobs have been lost so far in 2025, the highest since 2020. This has stalled the labor market, and hiring plans are down by 58%. When one worker loses a job, it cuts into the local economy, affecting others who depend on that income. The situation is made worse by the government shutdown, aggressive deportation policies, and the growing use of automation, all of which are slowing the path to recovery. The broader U.S. economy is also feeling the strain. Growth has slowed, and the risk of recession has risen sharply. Consumer spending is dropping, businesses are hesitant to invest, and the government's move to stimulate the economy through interest rate cuts hasn't been enough to spark a rebound. The uncertainty is leaving the economy on shaky ground. Finally, the ripple effects are being felt in global trade. Merchandise trade growth is expected to fall to just 1.1% in 2025. New U.S. tariffs and tensions with China have destabilized America's supply chains. This uncertainty, along with the trade war and stricter immigration measures, is pushing emerging markets to rethink their reliance on America and look for alternatives. But history reminds us that America has weathered many storms before and emerged even stronger. Time and again, through crises and uncertainty, the resilient spirit and foresight of the American people have driven the country's remarkable comebacks. There's every reason to believe that just as before, America will bounce back and reclaim its economic vitality. As new challenges inspire innovation and adaptation, we may also see emerging economies rising to the occasion, creating a new dynamic balance in global growth. One thing is certain, with determination and vision, America's lost glory is never gone for long. The world will be watching, and history suggests that a powerful revival is just around the corner.